Hello everyone. Welcome back to Better Homes Designs, the channel where we turn ordinary houses into extraordinary homes. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel. Leave comment, hit the like button, or share this video to your friends and family. Eco-friendly container homes are residential structures built from repurposed shipping containers that have been modified and retrofitted with sustainable practices in mind. These homes prioritize environmental consciousness by utilizing reclaimed materials, minimizing construction waste, and incorporating energy-efficient systems to reduce the overall ecological footprint of the dwelling. By transforming industrial steel units into comfortable living spaces, these homes represent a creative and practical solution to modern, sustainable housing needs. The benefits of choosing an eco-friendly container home are extensive, particularly for those looking to balance cost efficiency with environmental responsibility. Firstly, these homes significantly reduce waste by giving a second life to shipping containers that would otherwise sit idle or require energy-intensive recycling. Their modular nature allows for faster construction times compared to traditional building methods, which minimizes noise and environmental disruption at the build site. Additionally, when designed correctly with proper insulation and renewable energy integration, these homes are highly energy efficient, leading to lower utility bills and a reduced carbon footprint over the long term. Decorating the exterior of your eco-friendly container home is key to blending industrial utility with aesthetic appeal. Start by embracing the container's geometric shape while softening its appearance with natural materials like timber cladding or vertical gardens, which help integrate the structure into its surrounding landscape. Utilizing large glass panels or floor-to-ceiling windows can open up the space, making the home feel more connected to the outdoors while inviting natural light inside. Complement the structure with eco-conscious landscaping, such as gravel pathways, native plants, or even a living green roof, which not only improves insulation but also adds a stunning visual layer to your home's exterior design. When considering styles for your eco-friendly container home, the options are incredibly versatile. A minimalist industrial look works beautifully, emphasizing the clean lines and raw character of the steel by keeping the structure simple and monochrome. For a more organic, modern feel, consider a mid-century modern aesthetic that incorporates warm wood accents, cantilevered decks, and expansive glass to create a seamless indoor-outdoor transition. Alternatively, you might opt for an urban forest style by layering dense, lush greenery and timber pergolas around the structure, effectively transforming your container home into a private, tranquil sanctuary that feels like a natural extension of the environment. Now for the moment you've been waiting for. Let's walk through the top 10 best eco-friendly container home ideas and pull out the best design elements from each one that showcase the potential of this building method. One, the modern greenhouse retreat. This design features a sleek, light-colored shipping container topped with a thriving green roof. The clever use of a wide, fixed window and a sliding glass door creates a bright, airy interior that feels integrated into the surrounding landscape. 2, the elevated forest duplex. This two-story orange container home maximizes its natural setting with an expansive, elevated wooden deck. The contrast between the industrial orange steel and the surrounding forest creates a bold, adventurous aesthetic. 3, the industrial timber modular. A sophisticated multi-container home featuring dark, clean metal lines contrasted by rich, warm timber framing. The cantilevered metal roof design offers excellent shade and creates a spacious, modern living environment. 4, the Natural Harmony Studio. This simple, elegant container is clad in beautiful, warm-toned timber siding. The inclusion of a lush green roof and a generous wooden deck creates a perfect, low-impact studio space that sits quietly in nature. 5. The floating urban oasis. A striking example of architectural creativity, this black container home features a dramatic cantilevered upper level. The vertical garden on the ground floor and the expansive glass walls make this a true standout for modern urban living. 6. The sturdy forest haven. A rugged, dark-toned container home built into a hillside, showcasing a perfect balance between industrial strength and the natural environment. The elevated entrance adds to the architectural interest of this solid, well-integrated residence. 7. The rustic modern hideaway. This long, black container structure uses warm wooden trim around doors and windows to break up the metal surface. The addition of a sleek wooden deck and potted greenery gives it an inviting, homey atmosphere. 8. The minimalist grassland cabin. Set in an open field, this container home features a fully functional green roof and glass doors that open fully, blurring the line between the cozy interior and the wide-open outdoors. 9. The serene blue sanctuary. A vibrant blue container home that blends perfectly with its lush, garden-filled surroundings. The full-length glass frontage allows the residents to enjoy the garden view while relaxing on the compact, functional deck. 10. The glass-fronted urban tower. This multi-story home is a masterpiece of light and space, utilizing extensive floor-to-ceiling glass and an internal wooden staircase. The airy design ensures the home feels spacious despite its compact shipping container footprint. Embracing eco-friendly container living is a powerful way to reduce your environmental footprint without sacrificing style or comfort. By thoughtfully integrating sustainable materials, energy-efficient design, and a connection to the natural landscape, you can create a home that is truly unique, durable, and kind to the planet. If you are ready to start your journey into sustainable living, consider exploring how a container home could fit into your lifestyle. Start by researching local zoning laws in your area, connecting with architects who specialize in modular construction, and envisioning the specific space that best suits your needs. Subscribe to Better Homes Designs for more inspiration on transforming unconventional spaces into your dream sustainable sanctuary.